guys, and let's unbox the 16-inch MacBook Pro in silver, and this is Apple gift card, and this is a $150 gift card, and that's another video. Make sure you're subscribed, and that's already out like a week ago, so make sure you watch that also. And let's unbox this. This is the base model 16-inch MacBook Pro in silver. I also had the 14-inch MacBook Pro in a short video, which is like less than a minute, and it's also on my channel. The 14-inch MacBook Pro base model is what I'm using now to edit this video. I have to say the 16-inch is a way better choice to go. Here's the MacBook Pro in silver, and this is a new MagSafe 3 charging cable, and this is in silver. I personally would highly recommend going for the silver MacBook Pro because the MagSafe charger is always in silver. Not for the new MacBook Air, but for the MacBook Pro, yes. And you want it matching, so yeah. This is a 140-watt charger, and it's quite big, but not as big as I would expect. It's much stronger than the other ones, and it's smaller than the older ones. So. Keep it short. I think that's it. This time you guys are subscribed, so please click that button. It helps me a lot, and have a nice day. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next.